Hey there! If you're enjoying my content, consider subscribing. You can always change your mind later. Now let's get into it.
In a world gone mad, you're so bad. What are you doing? My sister's ex-husband can't get no love. What are you doing, bro? What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm actually going to follow this cop car up here. Oh man, that car just ran a stop sign. Why is he sitting in the middle of the road? Oh, I go straight right here, I forgot. My God, runs a stop sign, then stops in the middle of the road.
Bro, that ain't just some your backyard football with your son. These are professional athletes. He'd probably jump over the lineman, pick me up, and run me into the other end zone if he wanted to. That's what he would have done.
The hard-hitting safety of his generation, too.
Whoa.
I mean, Ed Reed, great cover safety. I don't know that you would have feared him, but
Ed Reed, I would have feared Ed Reed. Yeah, if I saw Ed Reed in that C-gap, absolutely. E.D. Reed, boy. The best
I don't even know anymore.
I'm doing shit to Ed Reed.
No, Ed Reed would have made.
What the fuck is this guy doing? 2, 1, 0. Yellow. Cop just about ran the light. Watch him back up. Let's go. It's green. Jesus Christ, lady.
Okay, baby. Well, I'll see you when you get here.
Oh my God.
to make a phone call, say dial, then the phone number or say call.
哇！你真係喺人哋嗰度中間過嗰架。哦，真係兩個都癲。我知佢啦，我睇到啦，我想我唔快啦，我入去就過咗啦。哎呀！你咪癲嘅啦，啲人兩架。
Trump is a fascist. I hope you've been paying attention to what I've been saying at the very least in reference to this conflict. I can't predict what the establishment machine will